How to add objects to your 3D scene. Just go up here to the left side little toolbar here and just hit add. And once you hit add, you can see it's a mesh. You have all of these different options of what you can add. We're just gonna go again to add mesh, and you can pick through all of these different options. So, you know, plane, a plane being this, add mesh. You can do another cube, and if you notice, wherever this little red and white cursor is where your object will pop up. So we're gonna add mesh. We can do the monkey, maybe. I believe her name is Lucy or something like that, but the monkey.